Welcome. My name is Sultan, and I'm thrilled to introduce you our comprehensive sourcing and logistics services. Based in China, we specialize in taking care of all your sourcing needs from factory to your doorstep. Whether you're a small business or large enterprise, we have got you covered. So let me introduce to the sourcing services and logistics services. Our services are designed to simplify the entire sourcing process for you. We start by identifying and evaluating reliable suppliers and manufacturers in China. With my extensive network and expertise, I ensure that we only work with the best in the industry to provide high quality products at competitive prices. Once we have found the right suppliers, we handle all negotiations to secure the best terms and conditions for you. Our goal is to ensure you get maximum value for your investment. Now, let's talk about quality assurance and product management. Quality is our top priority. We conduct thorough quality checks and lab testing to ensure that every product meets the highest standards from the initial samples to the final production run. We monitor the entire process to ensure consistency and reliability. Additionally, we offer labeling on the cartons and packaging services to make sure your products arrive in perfect conditions and are ready for your customers. Okay, so now I'll talk about logistics and shipping. Logistics can be a daunting task, but we make it easy for you. We work closely with the other shipping partners to ensure fast and efficient delivery times. Our team handles all aspects of shipping, from organizing the logistics to tracking your shipments in real time. We provide door-to-door delivery services. That means you don't need to pay taxes, ensuring your products reach you or your customers quickly and safely. With our comprehensive logistics solutions, you can rest assured that your products are in good hands. Okay, now let's talk about client collaboration and customization. We believe in working closely with our clients to meet their unique needs, whether it's collaborating with a videography agency for user generated content or customization of the product. We are here to support you every step of the way. Our team is dedicated to understanding your business goals and providing tailored solutions to help you achieve them. Let's talk about success stories and testimonials. We've helped numerous clients streamline their sourcing and logistic processes, leading to increased efficiency and growth. You can check Upwork for the reviews, and you can also check sourcingchamp.com, our website, to see the reviews of all the customers. Uh, those are there. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more or if you have any questions about our sourcing and logistics services, feel free to reach. Let's connect and have a good day. Thank you.